kids, welcome to Mad Baboons.
Today, let's learn a few things about peacock. Here we bring to you essay on peacock. So kids, let's start. Peacock is the most beautiful bird of all the birds. It is also known as the national bird of India. It is a blue-colored bird and has blue, green and golden feathers. It usually lives in jungles, gardens and hillsides. It loves to eat fruits, seeds, worms and snakes. During rains, it unfolds its feathers and dances. Peacock cannot fly for long distances. A female peacock is also called PEAHEN. Peacocks look attractive while dancing in the rain. Peacocks are very shy as they avoid people.
Thank you so much, kids. We will be back soon with new poems and lessons of life.